Welcome to EDU World Space.
This question asks, which element has the highest second ionization energy between lithium, potassium, and beryllium? So right now, the second ionization equation would be for each of these having already lost one electron, losing a second electron. So let's look at, on the periodic table, what each of these single loss electron ions, where it would be. So lithium, if it loses an electron, has the electron configuration of helium. Potassium, if it loses an electron, has electron configuration of argon. And beryllium, it loses an electron, has the electron configuration of lithium. So we can narrow this down two ways. For one, if we're just comparing lithium to potassium, lithium, if we're removing an electron from helium versus removing an electron from argon, clearly helium would be much more difficult to lose to take an electron from, because those electrons are so closely held in the 1s orbital that they would be much harder to remove than the valence electrons in argon, which are all the way up in the 3p orbital. So clearly lithium is going to be harder than potassium. And then with beryllium here, if it loses first electron, goes up to lithium. Removing that electron is removing from the 2s orbital versus removing an electron from the 1s orbital to go from lithium plus to lithium 2 plus. So again, of course, the 1s orbital is much lower in energy than the 2s. So removing an electron from lithium would be much more difficult than removing one from beryllium. So I'm going to circle this because this atom, or lithium, has the highest second ionization energy, because removing an electron from the 1s orbital requires so much energy.